Guys, welcome back to part 2 of Fall Bash 2021. We're out here in Sponser. It's pretty dang crowded. Like, it's starting to get pretty busy. If you look out at the beach over there, we're starting to film with some people. Still the later part of Friday afternoon. So if you haven't checked out the first part, go check it out. We're about to rip with a group. We're about to go meet up with some friends. We just went and got the Outlander fixed, got some food, got refreshed. Jesus Christ, I'm trying to make a video here. We got people still rolling in deep. We got everybody around here is all with us. We got a giant group this time. We're rolling with a huge group and we're getting ready to ride. We'll catch you on the GoPros. I forgot I had this phone mount. Alright guys, my buddy Andy does some sick drone work. I'll link him down in the description. Honestly, if you do need some drone work like this, hit him up. But he's gonna shoot some shots and I hope it turns out phenomenal for y'all. What's up? That thing's sick.
You ever seen one of these in person?
Not in person.
That thing can punch through a windshield.
Still, I mean, that thing's got some weight to it. Like you said, these motors are real deal.
Oh my god.
You go how fast?
I've got one in the truck that'll go 100.
Imagine getting hit by that.
This is my chase rig.
So do you build that?
Yep, and I'm ready to go film right now.
Alright, yeah, we're rolling over there. So we got a bunch of people over there. Dude, the stuff you send me is freaking awesome. Alright, let's get it. Alright, we got everybody. We're gonna go meet up with Gerald. And then, man, I kind of wish I threw my waders on, but I think we'll do one last session of sending it for the night. And then I'll go clean up one more time. Basically, if you're new to Busco Beach, it's literally just a giant good time, good party, everybody's ripping. You get good groups of people that just start sending it. Yeah, what's going on, bro? Yeah, we're going back that way. His hands were muddy and they got my hands muddy. This weather is so nice that I'm just gonna freeze my cojones off in a moment as soon as I'm soaked. We got Gerald's Bojangles, don't you worry. Let me go around the Bojangles boxes. Oh, nice catch. Alright, who wants to send shit? Because he's got a really fucking cool drone. I'm going to go drift.
Overnight, what a ride, what a time. She from Spain. Hold don't speak no English, but she know about the game. Look up flat, I'm feeling like I'm ready for the fame. What do I know? All I know. Overnight, what a ride, what a time. Running at it like a track star. If I get where I started, I run it back. And when I pull out, it's like NASCAR. And I might tell that boy to a running back. It's all getting is, I get to the bands. I'm cool like yo, ain't no back. We sound like a limb, we sound like kids. Full of cheese like some running back. Flips in the future like 3 minutes. A whole lot of money like 3 minutes. And a whole lot of bitches with feelings. I'ma do this, I got them thinking that we did. Don't let the money take 3 hits. And you're talking like you better got 3 fins. Do it up too easy like free hit. Doing shit, got him wishing that he can. Yeah, loyalty with the game. Make a hit and then I go top it. She from Spain. Don't speak no English, but she know about the game. Look up flat, I'm feeling like I'm ready for the fame. What do I know? All I know. Overnight, what a ride, what a time. So from Spain. Don't speak no English, but she know about the game. Look up flat, I'm feeling like I'm ready for the fame. What do I know? All I know. Overnight, what a ride, what a time. Getting better and I'm going harder. Love the Benz when I tell it started. Always stay bull like I'm getting smarter. And I hop in that foreign, it used to be chartered. Be going off, I've been putting them on. Be showing off, put that shit in the song. And get out the way, they ain't get me right. The ones right behind me was in the wrong. Put her in refrigerator, yeah. Asking her why she got me do that. Couple blues, then her bombs go red. She act like she know me, shit, I'ma say no though. Doing mad, no, I'm mad enough. We living broke, you ain't mad enough. Never said thought I ever had enough. Talk my shit and then I back it up. She from Spain. Don't speak no English, but she know about the game. Look up loud, I'm feeling like I'm ready for the fame. What do I know? All I know. Overnight, what a ride, what a time though.
Oh, God. Well, that was one way to end that. Oh, my God. This is going to be hard to get out. I think this is a thumbnail right here. I think this is a worse stuck. My poor clutch. I don't have a clutch cover on it. I'm thinking it might be able to winch it forward.
Oh, my God. Zoom in on those clutches now. That is horrible. Your clutches are spinning. Oh my God.
out before I, you know, drive that.
Dad, clutch is like, I'm gonna head out. With the clutch or the belt?
So if you don't know what's going on, last video we blew a belt on the X3 and I popped the belt box. Woo! Well, nothing. I didn't even bother to put the cover back on. Obviously, open belt box like that, worst possible mud to get in your clutches. Do not mix. So we drug her back to camp, just got her washed out. And we're gonna cross our fingers if these clutches are gonna survive tomorrow. I'm gonna have to pull them off to put that new cover on. I might do that in the morning, and I'm gonna thoroughly clean them out if I do, but we'll see.
Later.
Just chilling, and this dude just falls over and passes out. I think I should give him a little touch of Mountain Dew to wake him up.
The next day.
It's a late day. Joe's got his whole squad. Braden's got him and the boys.
Where are we riding to?
I don't know, but we're gonna go break stuff. I think that back corner would be a good area. I gotta ride behind everybody with loud exhaust. We got Speedy, we got everybody. Oh, we're taking them down the drag strip. I feel like a drag race is inevitable. Two wheel? Alright, hold on. I didn't know we were going yet! Braden just hit me with the biggest clump of dirt to the eye. Holy sh**. Ow! I didn't throw the sassies back on because, to be honest, I want the Outlander to last all week so I can ride it, and I know if I put the sassies on, I'm just gonna break it right away, so. Oh man, that's a good group of looking people. That's funny. If you're new to the channel, I started that game a while ago because the Can-Am keys, you can kind of just knock them off. So I started that game a while ago where I would go up and I would yank Braden's key out. And one time I was getting towed back when I blew a belt, and Braden came up and he kept spraying me with rocks, and I reached over and I just yanked his key out while we were riding. And it was so freaking funny. So I'll have to get Joe back. It's not deep, it's just muddy. Me first or you first? My little tires don't do very good. There we go. It helps when you're in four-wheel drive. This freaking throttle body shit again. I didn't sync it yet. Yeah, it's like this close. Well, that's freaking sucks. Yeah, I've tightened the thing down like 5 times and it still comes off. Ah, there we go. What'd you break?
Oh yeah.
What'd it do?
It's like it's in lit mode.
It probably is.
It's probably a belt. It's not overheating or nothing. There's no reason for it. Unless this is clogged with mud. Let me go try it now. Hey, hold this.
I think that was it. We'll be back. I guess we'll figure this out. Is it gonna be real bad? That's what you gotta do. I got mud in my contact, I can't see. Oh yeah, I think I just soaked that poor girl. Oh well, I can't help that. You're standing next to the mud puddle. Can't just be sitting here talking, we gotta get the action. Alright, well, my party brigade just went that way, like freaking 50 deep. Tim, I'm behind you. I'm trying to catch up to the front. These are trails. Alright, well, let's go get our group back and then we'll go. Yeah, this is a god-awfully big group. Well, there's my X3. I see it up there. I think we're going to kind of split off from this. Hey, scoot up. Hey, let him get through. How the f did we start this giant ride? Did everybody just start following us?
Jumped in.
Alright, well. I'm surprised my X3 is doing as good as it is with as bald tires as it has.
It's acting like the seatbelt's unengaged where it won't go over 13.
Hey, let me hop in it. Ah. I don't see an issue. I think his issue was he wasn't giving enough beans. All right, we'll give it back to Julius. Literally, you hit the brakes and you just keep sliding. The clutch is like sticking. Really, I need to pull them clutches out and thoroughly clean them. Woo! Ah! You can't even talk, I'm laughing so hard. Ah! Oh, brother! Trying to tire bump you. Get out of here, fool. Oh. It's a water fountain. It's an overheating water fountain. Ah. It's a choo-choo train. Oh, he's a f***ing asshole for that. My hands are so freaking muddy. My everything is muddy. I'm trying to get back to the water. Dude, look at my four-wheeler. This thing's got an extra 100 pounds on it. Just mobbing. Hey guys, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody. Because I hit a milestone the other day that I honestly never dreamed I would have achieved. We hit 100K. I don't know if you guys caught the 100K video Luke put out. That was a huge surprise to me. That was awesome just to see everything that's happened in the last year. Literally what I am so hyped about is all the people I've met in the last year. I have met some of the coolest people I call lifelong friends, and just some of the most genuine people. Like, the best part of what I do with YouTube is just the fact that I come out here, I come to events, I get recognized, I get to talk to y'all, I get to meet cool people, I get to have fun, and you guys help me do that. So it is a sincere thank you for everybody that's subscribed and watches the videos and keeps up with it. And it's pretty cool when I come out here and y'all can come up and, you know, ask me about my different shoes or different toys or different things like that. Oh, this is nice. Well, we did just get a bunch of rain, so it's probably a little deeper. Woo! 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 Oh. That's another broken axle. Yep. I can do donuts. That's what I can do now. Anytime I get sandy water, I start spinning tires and doing water wheelies, this thing will break a right axle. I literally put one in yesterday. I put one in the day before. I've spent $800 in axles in this thing in the last 3 rides. I think the springs, honestly, I think the guy behind me had the springs a little cranked up too much, and they're putting a lot of stress on the axles. That's probably why. So that's pretty freaking... Let's check out another broken axle. Like, why? Why does it do that? Yeah! I broke one yesterday. I swear, I think it's my shocks.